All right, so what your Lishi tool is it gonna be? Should be the HU101 right here. This is the HU101 high security Lishi tool, and then I'll grab some lubrication. All right, let's get this door lock picked. Now, I always like to spray some lubrication in there to free up any stiff wafers and get it kind of cleaned out so we have a nice smooth pick. Make sure you pull your Lishi tool tabs back, insert it into the lock, make sure it's all the way in there. Alright, so I'm going to apply light tension. Check space 1, that is bouncy, it's not ready to be picked. We're looking for stiff wafers only. 2 is bouncy, not ready. Let's skip over to 5. 5 is bouncy, not ready. 6 is stiff, let's pick that one. Let's move on to 9, 10, not ready. Let's go to 3, not ready. 4, not ready. 7 feels stiff, we'll go ahead and pick that one. Check 8, 8 is stiff, we'll pick that one. I didn't quite pick it enough. There we go. Let's check the bottom again. 1 is bouncy, not ready. 2 is not quite ready either. 5, 6 is ready. Let's check 9. 10 is ready. I felt it turn a little bit there. Let's check 3. 3 is not ready. 4 is stiff, so that means it's ready to be picked. Good to go. Let's check 7, 8. Those ones are good. Check 1, 2. 5, excuse me. 6 is ready to be picked. And that was the last one. Polo, what are you doing? Hey, don't lick that. Okay. So my dog just peed right there. This dog right here was just licking that, so that's really gross. All right, let's go through and decode this. 1 is a 4. 2 is a 5. 3 is a 5 as well. 4 is going to be a 3. 5 is a 1. Let me take this call real quick. Alright, back to decoding. Looks like we left off on 6. 6 is going to be a 1. Let's check 7. 7 is looking like a 3. 8 is looking like a 1. 9 is a 2. 10 is looking like a 5. I'm going to put a 4 though, possibly. Alright, let's go get a test key cut up and see if we decoded this properly.